Hello grades learners! Welcome to our exciting science experiment. Today, we'll discover the difference between physical change and chemical change. Ready na ba kayo? Tara! Let's experiment. First, let's observe a physical change. Meron tayong ice. Ano kaya ang mangyari kapag iniwan natin ito sa room temperature? Wow! Natunaw ang ice at naging tubig. Is this a new substance? No. Tubig pa rin siya. Nagbago lang ang kanyang states from solid to liquid. That is called a physical change because only the appearance or the change, but the substance remained the same. Remember, no new substance is formed. Now, let's move on to a chemical change. Lighting a matchstick. Tignan natin ang posporo. Mukha siyang ordinaryong stick. Pero ano kaya ang mangyari kapag sinindihan natin ito? Wow! May apoy, usok at init. Napansin niyo ba? Hindi na natin maibabalik ang posporo sa dati nitong anyo. Why? Because a new substance like ash and gases was formed during burning. This is a chemical change? Because a new substance is produced and the change is not easily reversed. It's
Vinegar and baking soda.
Ngayon naman, paghaluin natin ang vinegar at baking soda. Ito ang vinegar at ito naman ang baking soda. Dito natin paghahaluin ang vinegar and baking soda sa beaker. Una, vinegar.
Exciting part.
Pangalawa, baking soda. Wow! Ang daming bubbles. Ano nga ba ang bubbles na ito? These bubbles are carbon dioxide gas. Ang gas na ito ay isang bagong substance na nabuo dahil sa chemical reaction ng vinegar at baking soda. Kapag may nabubuong gas tulad ng bubbles, isa ito sa palatandaan na may chemical change na nangyayari. Ngayon, nagpatulong ako sa aking kapatid para ilagay niya ang baking soda at ako naman ay itatapat ko ang sinindihang posporo dito.
Grabe nagbabaking soda.
Did you notice that when you put the burning matchstick near the bubbles, the fire went out? Because the bubbles are filled with carbon dioxide gas. Fire needs oxygen to keep burning carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide does not support burning, so it pushes away the oxygen around the flame. Without enough oxygen, the flame goes up. This is another proof that chemical change happened because a new substance, carbon dioxide gas, was formed when the vinegar and baking soda reacted. Now you know the difference. If only appearance or state changes, it's a physical change. But if a new substance is formed, it is a chemical change. Science is fun because we amazing things through simple experiments. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Bye-bye.